So hello everyone. So this is just want to show you this cartridge on my C16. This cartridge which I showed you a couple of days ago, only in pictures. The day I cleaned it up because it was quite a mess. I found it in a lab, a friend of mine, and I took it at home. So this is my very first cartridge on the C16, and I'm gonna try it out today with you in live because never tried it before, any kind of C16 cartridge. I read about some comments of the users which stated that this was their very first game on the C16. This was my very first cartridge. This was, well, this is for me, just let me say that this is for me my very first cartridge on the 16. Never had it before, never had a cartridge before, and I think it will be the last one because I don't ever believe that I will find another cartridge for the 16, or I'm going to search something for the C16. I think it's enough. Just one is enough. Well, so let me try it out. Let's see if it works. Let's see what kind of game is this Jack Attack, because I never tried it. I repeat, I just told you I never tried this game before, and well, I don't even know what this game is about. So let me try it out and turn it on. Okay, this is just some kind of silly game, I think. Okay, we have audio. Oh, well, it's no, I don't know how it what to do, but it looks like very silly, very elementary, you know. That's nothing about. It's a stupid platform game. It's very stupid. I don't think it will be something of my kind of game. I like to play. You can break some. There's a time that's running out. Okay. And I don't know even what to do. Okay, it works. Okay, it kind of works. That was this is my first and last test, I guess, about C16 cartridge. Well, I rather prefer my home built ST2 IEC on the C16 with some universal SD card with everything on it, and that's enough. Okay, this was my C16 cartridge test. Okay, I will keep it just as for collection purpose, you know, and nothing else. Okay, so see you next time with some other stuff from my retro collection. Ciao.